When I first saw this story, my first reaction was, wow, good for them. They finally figured out schools are underreporting crime and violence on a massive level. Second blush was, hey, wait a minute. What took you so long? It's been happening for 10 years. This was the explicit policy of the Obama administration that we do not call the cops on black kids because teachers are picking on black kids, and to call the cops on them would be an unfair thing to do. So they stopped reporting crime.
School districts across the state of Florida are hiding countless crimes that take place on campus, defying state laws and leaving parents with the false impression that children are safer than they are. An investigation by the Sun Sentinel found that many serious offenses are never reported to the state as required. A number of schools report no incidents at all. Crimes such as teachers sexually abusing students have been withheld simply because they weren't committed by students. At least 900 schools failed to report any crimes or bullying at least once in the past 10 years, indicating that nothing went wrong there. And many schools continue to file false information even after the state warns them against it. Some members of the Parkland Shooting Commission believe failure to report crime is one reason why Stoneman Douglas was unprepared for the attack in February. It's up to school officials to certify that the data they submit is accurate, and schools have good reason to keep crime under wraps. Although campus crime is not considered when determining government funding, the public relations benefit is valuable on its own. Schools and school boards don't want their schools to be seen as unsafe.
And after they stop reporting it, they come back a year later.
Please, sir, I want some more.
They expect our plaudits for reducing crime that they are ignoring, which is still happening, which is still putting kids in danger, but at least doesn't make the black kids angry.